Gardening jobs that give you better harvests at the allotment and garden. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and today we're going to talk about the jobs what you need to do in the garden and allotment which give you better harvests and hopefully produce you more crops down at your allotment and garden. So the main one being feeding your plants. Now this is a crucial one to getting more crops and more harvest. Now certain vegetables and fruit require different feed to help them produce food. Now I always give my potatoes some potato fertilizer to help feed them. I do that because I grow them in pots, so it uses a lot of the nutrients from the compost, so we need to add some more nutrients in there, which is a slow release, and it feeds them while they're growing. And another one is like your tomato feed, which you feed your tomatoes when they're starting to flower, and you can use tomato feed on a lot of vegetables as well, so have a look at the label and see what vegetables you can use it on. Also seaweed fertilizer is a fantastic feed as well, so have a look into that one. Keeping your weeds away, the job that everybody hates doing, but weeding is a crucial job which you need to do. Keeping the weeds down stops them from competing with the weeds for the nutrients and the water in the ground, so keeping them down will help produce bigger crops, even if it's just going around once a week with a hoe and hoeing the top of your beds to keep the weeds at bay. Next up is watering deeply. Rather than water lightly over the beds, water deeply so that there's plenty of water in there for them to feed off, especially when it gets to hot summertime. Supporting your plants. Now you need to support them if they're one that grow up like canes or along netting. Fasten them up so that you can control them and help guide them, and yeah, that will help produce better harvest if you look after the plants themselves. We all need a bit of support in our lives. Give the support to the plants as well. Harvesting veg regularly. Now if you're growing like runner beans, keep harvesting them regularly, or if there's too many runner beans on the plant, it won't produce as many harvests, so keep picking them on a regular basis and it will keep producing the harvest that you want for your Sunday dinners and for your meals. Grow vertically, so growing stuff more vertically and using space wisely, and you can fit more and more in. Like you can use your walls to hang vegetable planters on, and you can grow stuff in pots up canes. Have a look around and see what stuff you can grow vertically, and using that space wisely in your garden to get the most out of it and to get the most harvests from it. So those are my little tips for garden jobs that give you better harvests. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone.